Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the error code CE-112839-4. So basically go online to use this feature. So in order to fix this error code, you're going to go to settings, and then you're going to head over to network. Make sure everything is connected, so it says connected for your internet connection, your Wi-Fi, and your PlayStation network is signed in. You can also go ahead and test your internet connection. Now once that is done, go to settings, go to set up internet connection, and then you're going to go to your Wi-Fi that you're currently using. You're going to basically click on the like the options button on your controller, and it's going to say advanced settings. You're going to go ahead and go to advanced settings. From there, you're going to change the primary and secondary DNS. So you're going to change the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8, and then the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. And once you do that, you should be good to go. You can go ahead and restart your PlayStation if you want. And yeah, you should be good to go. And also, I don't know if I mentioned this, but you can go ahead and restart your Wi-Fi router as well. So that's pretty simple. All you have to do is just unplug all the wires out of the back, and then just wait 1 or 2 minutes, and then just replug it. Once you do that, you should be good to go. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.